Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over some thrift store nightstands using decor transfers from RE-DESIGN with Prima. These are going in my new guest room, and I cannot wait to share this project with you. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over these nightstands. The first recorded use of the word nightstand was in 1852, though the word night table goes back as far as 1772. The nightstand's primary function was to contain the home's chamber pot. As far back as the 1700s, blacksmiths used iron to create useful knobs and pulls for furniture. It wasn't until after the Industrial Revolution that cabinet hardware started being considered something other than functional. Today you can find antique nightstands in just about any style, including Chippendale, French, Colonial, and Victorian. These small pieces of furniture are really helpful when it comes to tying your bedroom decor together and storing those practical items. I'm going to leave a link to RE-DESIGN with Prima and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll love the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.